In this one, we're going to look at the skin modifier, and I'm going to go ahead and take this cube, and I'm going to go over to my properties editor, add modifiers, and I'm going to go to generate and then down to skin. And I get this nice shape out of this cube. If I tab into edit mode, I could actually modify that too by just selecting face mode, and let's say that I just pull it out. I could do that. I could also do Control R, add some loop cuts. And so, you know, who knows, maybe you're making a bridge or kind of a space station or something, you want some girders or things like that in there, you could work with that. There's also this branch smoothing, and so you can get a little bit where it's rounding those edges some. So some different effects there. I'm going to tab out. And so you play around with it. Pretty simple, straightforward. If you have separate things in it, you could mark them as loose or clear loose, etc. to kind of play with it. I'm going to tab in here. And so maybe on, I'm going to go and select a plane. I'm going to say mark loose, and changes my shape a little bit. Let's do that on this one as well. And so it again changes a little bit how it looks at that. I can hit clear so that it recalculates how it goes around it. Mark as root. I don't know exactly what all those do, but my thought is that's where it starts the generation from. If I select everything, equalize radii is going to actually just, I think, change how it calculates that distance that it's going around. I'm not sure if there's any way of adjusting the thickness around it. Hit smooth shading if we want. So anyway, some different things. Ooh, I can even say which axes I want symmetry about. So some settings to play with. Give it a try, see what you can use it for.